We then focus on our last script, which is the main.py, which we then want to use to not only run all of the scripts for themselves, but be able to run them as a pipeline. So we will write a main function which calls of our scripts, or which calls all of the functions which we want to use in our scripts. Collect data. So with this done, I would like to delete all of the previous created files in the output folder, as well as the tweets which just have been made on my dummy page. Because it could happen that the beginning of the new reporting tweets are similar to the one just made. And when this happens, the Twitter API doesn't allow the posting because it says, oh no, you are posting duplicates. I don't allow duplication posting. For this, I just want to clear this fully out. It should be the last, which I had to delete now. Yes. So with this done, we are now able to clear our terminal and to run our main script. No. No, we cannot run our main script. For sure, there is a mistake with Twitter. Okay, I've seen what's the issue. For sure, we would need our path provided. With this done, should be able to run the whole script in one run. I'm not sure if the LLM output would be like we want it to be. You just can see it here once more. And for my opinion, this is not the form we wanted our report. Yeah, it begins to get trashy. Maybe this prompt is now better. Oh god, post. This is the right one, and then we don't get these error. Maybe now also the report will be done like it should be. not sure we would get the wanted response now. But I know is that Telegram part should be posting it now on the Telegram, on the Twitter profile. This time I will Telegram, the Twitter profile of mine. And yeah, I will expect once more that I won't get the perfect output. Now, this is a report we can work with. It's pretty short, but it's the first time I'm happy with it. So we are now able to see the whole report, which we posted here, these 3 posts. I also want to show you on Major DOM how it's done currently with the Moonchain reporter. So we had a whole thread on which where it's 4 posts, and additionally this part with the Moonchain daily report is appended. So when the user want to read more than only these 2 or 3 threads and want to read the whole report, you can click onto the Moonchain daily link and by this open the whole report. You can look into it for sure. So here we can see today's report, and for sure you can see that it's like it's intended to be. I hope I will be able to create another workshop where I can improve on this and teach you specifically how you can write a prompt and really just get this data or just get the response you want from the LLM. But until this, I sadly have to say goodbye, and I hope you could learn something on this. I would love if you would leave some questions or if you follow along the further or for the future workshops, which we will do weekly on the Moonshine YouTube channel. I would say thank you, and we will see each other once more in the next week. Thank you, and have a nice weekend.